Since the release of the O11 Dynamic in 2018, it feels like absolutely every manufacturer on Earth is just making a square glass fish tank looking case. Until now, Cougar said, hey, we've got something up our sleeve. This is the FV270. And I'm warning you, prepare to fall in love and open your wallets because this thing is pretty cool. Looking at the design of the FV270, it's a mid-tower chassis with mostly glass. However, it's not a square glass box. It has a panoramic view so that you and I can view all of our very expensive stuff inside of it. Yay! And yes, this front cover is actually curved glass. And like all of the other panels, it just snaps on without any tools whatsoever. So it's really easy to take apart. Now, both versions, the white and the black one, looks amazing. I would have loved to do a whole white build, but my expensive equipment is all black and I ain't doing no modification on this, because if it breaks, I'm poor. And here at We Do Tech, we spend money so that you don't have to waste money, not us. We waste a lot of money. Please subscribe. So they moved back the power supply to a more traditional shroud design, but with a little bit of a twist. Right here in the front of the case is a fan that is cleverly angled to pull air from the bottom front of the case, cold air, not from the power supply, through over the graphics card, which is really nice. And then obviously you have your exhaust vent at the back pulling the air out again. So this is a very temperature efficient case because it's not just glass, like my previous case. This is a big upgrade. The case does support up to an E80X motherboard, although you'll have to sacrifice the built-in GPU support bracket and the cable channel if you want that thing to fit. Now, speaking of motherboards, Cougar has taken the future into account with this whole new plugging all of your cables into the back of the motherboard. So motherboards like the new Project Zero from MSI will actually work in this case. That is really cool. Future-proofing is really important, especially in PCs. You know, you and I, we don't upgrade our parts frequently. No, we really don't obsess over PC parts, and Black Friday didn't make me poor, I promise. Now, for all of my vertical mount enthusiasts, Cougar has got you covered with an easy rotatable PCIe bracket and a GPU mount included in the box, although, as always, you don't get your own riser cable. Is it just me, or would a lot more people actually vertically mount their GPUs if they included those cables into the box? Now, speaking of things they also don't include into the PC box, fans. You get one. That's an interesting take, Cougar. It's a really nice case, but I don't know about you, but I use fans in my PC case. Just saying. Luckily, my friends over at Cougar sent me some fans. Some really cool fans. Some really high quality fans. Look at them. This is amazing, and it allows you to daisy chain them. So you basically only need one connector. That's convenient. Now, I mentioned that this case is better than almost any other case on the market. And that is for one simple reason. Cougar knows we, as PC gamers, like to show off our Funko Pops, our little figurines, our mascots, if you will. Pictures of our friends' moms, whatever you'd like to put there. So they did this, an RGB turntable. Your own little station to show off whatever you want to show off. Now you'll have to sacrifice your cooling. Unfortunately, you can't put a fan and a rotating table there at the same time. However, it does look cool. Now, if you're a smarticle particle, you'd be thinking, how does this thing connect? Do I need an extra hub or extra cables or? No, actually not. There's no special cable that you need at all. It runs off of a standard fan and 3-pin RGB header. It quick connects with a soft spring-loaded pin. However, I've noticed that the little connector, that spring-loaded connector, doesn't really work that well. Initially, I built the PC and it didn't want to work, so I fiddled with it and then it worked again and I was like, great, problem solved. I switched the PC off and then the next day when I switched it on again, I had to fiddle with it again. So take that as you will. Still a pretty cool feature. Maybe it's just mine that's a little bit bent or I just didn't install it correctly. However, that is what my case is like. Now, obviously, the standard case will only ship with the fan option, so you have to buy your own turntable separately at a little bit of a premium, but it's pretty cool already. And speaking about the fan that comes pre-installed, it is swappable. So if you want to put in your own fan in there, you can also do that. That's quite a nice feature. And the rest of the case, well, it can fit 920mm fans or 740mm fans. So that's a lot of fan cooling space. The case does have space for a 360mm radiator, but only at the top. A nice touch is that Cougar made the mount up there removable, so it really makes installing the radiator a lot easier. And of course, all of the fans have a mesh cover to keep the dust out. Looking at the back, the cable management is well thought out too. They have multiple Velcro straps pre-installed, which made it a breeze to work in. There's also room for up to 4 2.5-inch hard drives, or if you still have one of the bigger ones, you can just swap out 2 of them to make one fit. You can mount one next to the power supply, which is pretty satisfying for some reason. It's just me. Something just fits. It's quite nice. Overall, building in the case was a dream. Everything was well thought out. It just snapped together. It looks incredible. It's so neat to build in. It quickly became one of my favorite PC cases, not just because it's so functional, but because it has personality. I mean, even the front I/O is funky with a bright orange, just really refreshing. And that's different. That's what I like. How about you? What do you think? You like it? I like it. This is really cool. My name is Stefan, here from We Do Tech, and I'll see you in the next video, spending the money so you don't have to. Cheers, bye.